Hi everyone, it's Oliver again from AlgosOne. We all know how volatile crypto markets are because crashes often occur. But what if I told you there's a way to make significant profits even when the markets are crashing? Fortunately, there is, and it's called shorting or short selling. So, in this video, I'll explain how shorting works, the risks involved, and how you can use it to your advantage. Lastly, don't forget to stick around till the end because I'll introduce you to AlgosOne, which helps automate short trades, making bear markets a literal goldmine for you. Want to keep winning in crypto even when the market is crashing? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our expert trading tips. Let us know in the comments, have you ever tried shorting crypto before? What is crypto shorting? Cryptocurrency shorting, or short selling, is a trading strategy used to profit when markets crash. To do this, traders borrow cryptocurrencies from an online broker, sell them at a higher price, and then repurchase them when the price is low. Where can you short sell cryptocurrencies? There are two common ways by which you can short sell cryptocurrencies. These include margin trading. In margin trading, investors have to borrow money from a broker or an exchange by giving their funds as a margin. However, it is vital to remember that brokers charge a profit and exacerbate losses. Borrowing interest and trade fees are involved. The amount of interest typically increases depending on how long you borrow the crypto. Futures markets. The futures market is another way to short sell cryptocurrencies. In a futures trade, a buyer agrees to purchase crypto with a contract that specifies when and at what price the crypto will be sold. To short any crypto, a trader purchases contracts that bet on a lower price. How can you short sell? Step-by-step guide. Here's how you can short crypto, step by step. Step 1. Research. Researching which crypto you want to sell is vital. Familiarize yourself with short selling through paper trading, and then select one coin based on your analysis. Since short selling is an advanced strategy, it's essential to be comfortable with technical and fundamental analysis, which increases your chances of success. Step 2. Borrowing. Borrowing that crypto from an exchange or a broker. Always place a stop loss and take profit order. Step 3. Sell it at the current market price. Step 4. Buy back. Buy that asset back at a lower price. Return lastly. Return the borrowed asset to the exchange and keep the profit you made. Risks for shorting crypto. While it's possible to be profitable from shorting, it comes with significantly higher risk. Unlike in regular trades where your maximum loss is what you invest, shorting involves unlimited risk since you borrow money from a broker or exchange. Because of this, if the price keeps rising, you can lose a lot. How to be successful at shorting. Here's how you can be successful at shorting. Choosing the right exchange. Choosing the proper exchange for short selling is vital because different exchanges offer different profit rates and borrowing interest. Analyze the market consistently. Analyzing the market for bearish trends through market news and technical indicators can help to identify potential downtrends. 3. Start small. Even if you practice paper trading, starting with a small position is recommended to minimize risk. You can grow your investment as you become more comfortable and familiar with market trends. What is AlgosOne? If all this sounds overwhelming and risky, don't worry. AlgosOne offers a more innovative and easier way to short cryptocurrencies. It is an AI-powered trade automation bot that simplifies shorting and executes short trades on autopilot with an impressive 80% precision, making the process stress-free and straightforward for you. Here's how AlgosOne works. To get started with AlgosOne, users open their account in less than 5 minutes and deposit a minimum of $300. Once your account is approved, you get to take the back seat because from here onwards, everything else is handled by AlgosOne. This includes scanning the market 24/7 and identifying potential downtrends and shorting opportunities. After identifying the right opportunity, the trading bot automatically executes short trades at the optimal time, ensuring maximum profits. Given the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies, AlgosOne guarantees your profits are secured. To do this, it uses built-in risk management tools to protect your investments and minimize losses. With the help of AlgosOne, you don't need to be a trading expert to profit from falling markets. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a compassionate beginner, it has you covered by making crypto shorting extremely simple and stress-free. The best part is that the machine learning technology behind AlgosOne allows it to consistently learn from mistakes and improve by not making them again. The more it trades, the smarter it gets, which ensures users are always one step ahead of the market, providing a sense of security and confidence. Shorting cryptocurrencies can also be a game changer, allowing you to profit even when the markets are crashing. However, many risks are involved, and this is where AlgosOne comes in. It makes shorting smarter, safer, and more profitable. So, there you have it, folks. You're ready to take your crypto investments to the next level. Click the link and sign up for AlgosOne today.
The AI revolution is here. Don't miss out. Join now.